Hello everyone. So welcome to the platform of Debit Guru. This is Neelam Bajaj and today I am going to explain you about simple simplification using BODMAS rule and approximation so that you can easily, because many questions come approximate the value of this expression. For that we need to know the rules of fractions, BODMAS and how to do approximation and simple rules on exponents, indices, so that the calculations becomes very easy. So let me first of all explain you about the rule how to solve a fraction. So suppose there are a expression where it is given a plus, minus, divide, off, brackets and all. So which one we have to do first? So there is a rule said as BODMAS. Everyone of them had heard about BODMAS. Nothing is what is B. So V is 1 coulomb. V means 1 coulomb. You might have solved it before in your lower classes. There is a bar, suppose in this way. There is a horizontal line above an expression. This is called 1 coulomb. So whenever there is an horizontal line above this one, so first of all what we have to do? You have to solve this one. So the answer will be 1. And suppose 1 plus 3, so it will be 1 plus 1, answer will be 2. So this is known as 1 coulomb. So now after that we know the rule of BODMAS. So what are the rule of B for bracket? So which bracket we have to solve first? So at the beginning we have to solve this square bracket, curly bracket. Then this bracket, second bracket, and last one is square bracket. So after that we will solve off. Off means multiplication. So whenever it is written multiplication sign, we will not solve this one first. If it is written there off, then only we will solve off first. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. Okay? So let me explain you this one with an example. So let me take an example. 4 of 2 plus 15 divided by 3 divided by 5 plus minus 1. So by the rule of BODMAS, first of all what we have to do? We have to do off. So 4 of 2 means 4 multiplied 2, that is 8. So now what we can do? There is two division signs. This one and this one. So which one we have to do first? So we will always do division any operator from the left hand side before. What? From the left hand side. So in the left hand side is given that 5 divided by 3. So 5 divided by 3 is 5. And we will keep the other part as it is. Now 4 into 2, 8. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Then minus 1. Then after that addition. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Is it clear? So let me take one more example. This is an expression. Suppose 8 of 2 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. This one. So what we will do? First of all we will solve this small bracket. Then we will solve this square bracket. Then after it we will do this one. So in the meantime you can do both one because these two are unrelated. So 8 of 2 means 8 multiplied 2, that is 16. 16 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 3. So 16 divided by 1 is 16. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus plus is minus. 16 minus 1, the answer is 15. So this is all about solving an expression using BODMAS rule. So any expression, if you follow this rule nicely, then there is no any chance of having mistakes. Now next is approximation. Approximation means round off. We all have done rounding off from class 3 to I think class 6, 7, it is there rounding off. Approximation. Means approximation, we are not finding the exact value after point. We are just rounding it off to a whole number or a natural number, and then we are doing all the calculation. Now how to round off? We all know, but let me give you just a recap of it. Approximation. Is 22.3. The number after the point is 3, which is smaller than 5. So we will round it to as 22. We will not take 0.3. If suppose it is 22.7. So this number is greater than 5 after point. Okay. So we will add 1 to 22. That is 23. We have to always remember, if there is 22.5, then also it is equal to 5. We will add 1 here. That is 23. So this is the basic rule of approximation. We know it. Just I have given a recap of it. So if it is less than 5, we will write the smallest one. If it is greater than 5, then we will write the add 1 to 1's place. So solving this, there are many questions comes in the exam, find the approximate value and all this. So let me explain you with an example. Let me take an example. 48.99 into 342.81 cube divided by 6.992 square plus 12.992 square. So in the equation it might be given that what will be the approximate value of this expression. So first of all, before solving these things, we will first of all round it off. So 48.99, so it becomes 49. So 342.8, so it becomes 343. Divided by 6.9, so it becomes 7. And 12.9, it becomes 13. Now 49 into cube root of 343 is 7. So it will be 7. So divided by 7 square, 49, plus 13 square, 169. So by BODMAS rule we have to do division first. So 7 divided by 49 is 1 by 7 plus 169. So this get cancelled. 7 plus 169 is 176. So see, this expression reduces to this one, and this is very easy. It doesn't take a minute also. It takes only 30 seconds to solve. Less than 30 seconds to solve this expression. So this type of expression needs very much practice, and it becomes very easy to solve. Okay. Now I would like to recap a small rules and regulations of indices and exponents. We have done very much indices and exponents in our lower classes, mainly from class 6 to class 9. So let me give a small recap on the rules regarding the exponents with an example, because it becomes easy to solve an expression. The first rule, indices. Suppose a to the power m into a to the power n. It gives ma into n. Means suppose 2 cube into 2 square. So it will be 2 into 3 plus 2. That is 2 5. So it is plus. Is it clear? Now am divided by an. Suppose this one, am divided by n. Then what we need to do? We need to subtract the powers. Suppose 2 cube divided by 2 square. So 2, 3 minus 2, 2 to the power 1. In this way we need to do it. Now third rule is, suppose a to the power m and n. After bracket there are 2 powers. Then what we need to do? We need to multiply both the powers. So 2 cube, 2. Then what we will do? 2, 3 into 2, 2 to the power 6. Suppose there are 2 numbers and we have written their bracket here m. Then what will be there? A to the power m, b to the power m. Suppose 6 square it is given there. So you can write as 2 into 3, 2 square into 3 square. That is 4 into 9, 36. Why need to we break up this thing? So that the calculations become easy. Similarly, if there is division, if it here it is multiplied, if it is divided, then it will be a to the power m divided by b to the power m. 2 by 3 m. So 2 to the power, suppose it is 4, 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. Now the another rule is a to the power minus m. So it becomes 1 by m. Suppose 3 to the power minus 2, it becomes 1 by 3 square. If it is minus 1, then it becomes 1 by a. That is, if 3 to the power minus 1, 1 by 3. The reciprocal of it. These were the rules regarding indices. Now there are many other rules for surds also. Surds means square roots, cube roots, any root. So it is regarding that one also. So let me give a recap of the rules regarding surds also. I remember this one. These all things we are very easy. There is nothing to worry about it. We just need a recap of all the rules and just keep a practice on all the papers of last year. So if you go through the paper of last year, you will see that the sums are not very tough. We just need to know the proper rules, and the thing is that we have to save the time during the exam. You need to save the main thing is time management. Okay? So the rules regarding surds. Surds means power, square root, root power. So if suppose it is given there a to the power m, it becomes a 1 by m. Suppose 2 to the power 8, so it becomes 2 1 by 8. If similarly it is given there 2 into 5, power is m. So it becomes 2 to the power 1 by m into 5 to the power 1 by m. Okay. Suppose it is given there 2 to the power 2 into 3, 2. So it will be 2 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 2. This is the another rule. Similarly, in the case of multiplication, the same is in case of division also. Suppose it is 3, then 2 to the power 1 by 3, 5 to the power 1 by 3. The same case is in regarding with multiplication, and the same thing is with the division. It's much more similar to exponents only. And suppose it is a to the power n and it is given there n. So n is a to the power 1 by n. So this get cancelled and we get a. So this can not be like that also. 2 to the power 3, 5. So it becomes 2, 3, 1 by 5, that is 2, 3 by 5. So the complicated one becomes very easy if we apply the rule. Is it clear? So these were the rules regarding surds and indices. Now let me explain you to find the multiplication of very large numbers having some common 9999, 10002, 3, 4 in this way. There are some tricks regarding that also. So let me give you a example and explain these rules also, because it becomes easy while doing the calculation. Suppose we need to multiply 98